Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to Google Docs. First, open Google Docs. If you try to open a PDF document directly, it doesn't open properly. So let's go to the top left and click on File. Then Open. Next, click on the Uploaded tab on the far right and then select Browse. Now find your PDF document. Here it is. I will click Open and you will see a message saying the file is not supported for upload. To get around this, we need to use Google Drive. Once you are there, now to upload the PDF, go to the top left corner, click New, then select File Upload. Find the PDF file you want to convert. Click on it and then click Open. You will see it start to load in the bottom right corner, and once it finishes, the file will appear in your Google Drive. Now double click on the file to preview it, then click on Open with Google Docs at the top. Then document will now load in Google Docs. Then it will automatically convert the PDF into an editable format. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.